You tripping, bro?
I have my pass and everything. Can somebody get my pass? No. Am I under arrest? For what? When I'm under arrest for?
I'm assault the police.
How? I'm assaulting the police. Don't have the video. How? What the fuck?
I don't give a shit what the thief got.
That's not your he give it to her. What the fuck she said?
I'm not under arrest though.
How
So why? Why? Look at this. Not cheating.
She didn't resist it, you just threw it down.
Literally,
She
how?
didn't punch it.
I was sitting here
And before he pushed
fucking
me.
handicap gear.
Exactly.
Exactly.
You see the whole thing.
Everybody see it.
Excuse me, am I under arrest?
Yeah.
For what? Can you tell me what I'm under arrest for? That's by law.
You know why?
I didn't touch police officers. I didn't even know that. It's evidence. It's evidence. It's evidence.
On the ground. Then take out on the ground.
Excuse me. Can I get up and get on my train, please?
Nope. Get her up. Let me get over here. Come.
I can stand up by myself. Because he said that no, he said no way you let me talk to myself first. Because he's trying to violate me.
Now they're taking her phone.
He said I'm under arrest, but he won't go for what?
Everybody what you just did.
Yes, it's litigation, and he got 13 attacking this girl right here.
Right, where is this thing?
You know, this man, everything they got.
All these witnesses right here.
Yeah, get her.
Yeah, that's her. Walk away, Penny. Walk away, Penny.
So I got the thing, right? He told me to go over there. So I'm going over there. I'm looking for